So some of the obvious signs to tell if your home was contaminated with meth is there could be a smell. You might have kind of a metallic-y smell. I've been in homes that we went there to test, and as soon as I walk in, I get kind of a metallic taste on my mouth, like I'm sucking on a penny. Those are some dead giveaways. There might be a smell like heavy cat urine or ammonia smell. Some of the physical signs are maybe burns on countertops. We find oftentimes when we're doing meth labs that they're cooking the stuff in either a bathroom or a kitchen. If someone was to look at buying a property and they're concerned about it, one of the recent things that we've discovered is the dishwashers being disconnected. They're cooking the meth inside of dishwashers and pulling the hoses off to keep the gases inside the dishwasher. So that's a new one we learned about in the last year. When it comes to finding out if there's meth in a home, we test it, we swab the surfaces, and then we send our swabs off to an independent third lab. And that's one thing that sets us up differently from other companies. Some companies will buy a little yes/no kit off Amazon. There are companies that will swab like we do, but they send it to a lab that's not accredited. It's really important for the consumer to know that if they're going to hire a company to test, they need to hire a company that uses an accredited third-party lab. And that's important, especially if it's going to end up in some kind of legal battle. The courts will question any results that are not being done by a federally regulated lab. But when it comes time to cleaning a meth home, there's no easy way to do it. It oftentimes involves a lot of demolition and physically washing the structure. And when I say washing the structure, I literally mean that. A lot of water and chemicals and products that'll pull the meth contamination off the surfaces. So the remediation process for meth in itself can do a lot of damage to the homes.